Glory be to the Most High. Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Burn down to the ground. Give thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, share, like, leave a comment. I like the comment them. Can we read them and see, you know, what people's opinion. Because we're upon the virtue of moving forward. You know what I mean? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Watch this movie. Tell me what you think. You know what I mean? Share with your friends and loved ones. We try our best. Let's go.
I had some band. I had some band. I had some band. Look how we want. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, the sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see some fun can done. 7 Mile White and Pandini grill side. Linkski connection and go for a ride. Horseback riding, parasailing in the day. Then go and watch the sunset at the Rigs Cafe. Cool on is water park for the whole family. Or Dolphin Cove on the way to my bay. I do the rafting down by Martha Bray. At Margaritaville you can chill all day. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see some fun can done. The curves and turn a firm gully. You're in Jamaica, so don't hurry. Don't pass the craft item vendor. You have to purchase things to remember. Ripe banana, mangoes and sweets up. And the birds singing sweet songs in the treetop. Bob Marley Museum, let's go see that. You see in Jackson record.
Are you watching?
Alright, let's say, go down. Come on, let's show off, man. No, man, that's a shit make people go down. Yeah, come on, let's go. Come on, yeah. Yeah, 14. Everything hurts. It's a dry one. Just stay now. Where you get 2 hands to do? What you get 2 hands to do? Sit down with pretty. I don't want to do anything. Me make you name. Pick up in the kitchen. Fix up in yam. You're bright, boy, sister now. But I name my finger here. So what, my girl? What one? That's a no cause. I say Papa. That's a big mama money till she get tired of my spending money all day. Yeah. And she laugh on something. Yeah.
John! Who listen? This is your coming. Hey? And then what's in there?
When they don't chat people because that. You beg too much.
You should even chat me in a car. One more that thing, Mark, you more than that the $50 US now. I mean, buy our water out of that, the same money there.
Papa, every day you come and give me and beg me dinner.
So if your mother in your company for $50, she's a meal with stingy rich. Yeah. But you only have to know, because everyone we have family. And you see them and chat with Maria.
But you see, that's a good get them Anna. That's not denying a fryer.
Listen, I don't mean you to love it now and take that, you know.
Stop the human money, human don't have it.
Listen, who have it?
She don't have it.
And she and my man look a young boy crossing the road.
I didn't give my young boy. I said, make a young girl in my new.
No watch my business, you know. That's a hard life I go reach, you know.
No, I let not reach a bad man. I'll take you.
Listen to me. Remember, this house that it belongs to my mother, you know. I feel my mother, my mother, you know.
Hello, when you love chapel business, that happened to me.
Listen to me. More reason I'm a 50-year mother, you know. Tell him, say, I'm not making no more money. Because it's me. I
chat, he said that bomb no one's in Richard. That's why I make a want to try. And that's why I never get some money. See, the mother alone, me make sure say me eat. She eat. We don't have no problem. I say, ever begging till mackerel? Me hungry right now. Me begging me till mackerel right now because me hungry. Little girl, I'm going in the kitchen. You know, I get a fire out of presents.
Hey, me go in the kitchen. You got to create the kitchen.
Yes, I look so in here.
No.
Me hide them in the cabinet and lock.
Guys, we check the cabinet already.
No, you can't go in there. You
The
lock.
only thing we see is salt. That's the only thing that Jamaican woman
Yeah, me put it in the other side of the cabinet, the one where you can't open. Nyam salt, because I'm vampire. I
Tell
don't
them
know
that when you issue my number, in delete it, block it, or ring.
she not call you? Are you a call she? Are you delete it, block it, and stop calling and begging money to come and get? Let's go to the place, man. Tell her I'll give me more video. Me love you as a family member, but why you just asshole? Watch out, $1. Move, man. Galang pay you and go make them $50.
They are $20. What we have done? You can't buy it.
Cause that's never seen you. Tell your mother, say me say, if you tap, they send money for Papa and I'll take all him a do and mind girl with it. Right.
Now what are you doing?
Jam, you see me a mind girl? You see me a mind girl, girl? You see me a mind girl?
Hey!
Because me see you.
I'm bad with you now. Hey, I'm not bad with you now. Cause the one, me take care of the pig.
Oh yeah! You are such a good girl.
You might give me money. You might give me money.
You don't think enough for that beg out a family member and money for your child to look work and something.
You know, beg no money from
Come
me.
on, come Papa. Me don't want me in and nothing. You're the family. Come on, man, you finish. One. Yeah, man, me don't want to hear it.
Make it talk now.
Hold on now. I want to go in the bathroom before me hear all of them. Me need to try to flush tight. How you flush? Because the one that me use up on my cousin, me get up, it does.
So you're telling me to flush the toilet?
I don't know what I want to flush.
Well, yeah, she will flush because I don't know what that she do. People tell me.
Come
What
back.
she used to do.
Come back.
They can't tell
Yes,
me.
since you pick up him, go flush him. Alright. Now, Bundy.
You don't know about it because I used to work in a pit tile.
At least we didn't make me little dividends. What you do for yourself right now other than fast and big people business? Stop square up with me. Alright. Yeah, me wanna stop square up with me.
This is the way I want to man.
How that? Outside, go on,
The life and living colors, man. I'm good. I'm a young one.
I'm not good enough for me. I'm hungry.
You're hungry. That's how.
I just hear brother you're hungry.
I'm good, man.
I just awful.
What one? You try to call my phone and not on my phone. What with that phone?
Mommy, they are fine.
No, I know she's a fan, but what with that phone?
No, if you know me, they are Jamaica. How do you even know that what do you
You're not talking to your mother.
She not let me talk to her.
Stop telling like family girl.
She not put credit on my phone.
So I'm going. What about your mother? Can we let them be a fan right now and make money so what? You get money?
Yes, all the time.
You get them money when you get money? You're not a fan, believe me. You go no money.
Give your money. Stop telling lies. Let me say stop it.
I just $10 US she gives me.
Ingi you at least
So what,
ingi
better
you.
money?
Little long,
Better money?
last long. Set and God get.
$10 US on
You know,
Sure.
I pass and I pass through, you know. But we just check pound and you know, alright, on the balance out, right? I'm going to come here tomorrow, come do some work. I'm going to start tomorrow to build the fence here, but I'll get the post and put in and bag
the phone. I
of
ring
it.
upstairs.
Tomorrow, your phone I ring, go and answer your phone. Go and answer your phone if put your mother call you. Go and answer your
That's
phone.
true.
Oh, no, God, don't think you're lazy.
Let me tell you this, Digi. We need to have a serious talk about Brittany. But I want next time.
But listen me now. You see, Jack, you see, I don't want you to take up Brittany on your case like your daughter, you know. Your sister.
I'm here one day. Mommy, they are fine. Mommy,
But
let
no.
him go up on the road.
No, let him go. But me I say, don't take up like your daughter. Because I never take you up as my daughter because I'm the older one for you.
No, you can't. You're busy.
I didn't let you go.
You're busy around back a girl, so you know business about me. That's why I'm not get a great education that I'm supposed to get. Me not make that happen to Brittany.
Let me tell you one thing. This education mash up this nation. Whether most of the people them in politics now when done, you know. That means they don't mess up the country.
Did
You know,
you
personal
get
balance.
ignorant in us?
Yeah, the man say, you see, if some of them people when done, so they turn prime minister and turn leader. So you wouldn't have no problem, maybe less problem.
You trying to listen to him now?
Yeah.
Because of him, make me have to drop out of school early. And because of him, he make me find man. Say me because me want love from a male person.
So you don't never want love from me, you're your brother.
And that's what I mean. Yes, because I never have a father figure, a brother figure in my life, none tall. Me have to go road, so say yes, you're gonna find love a road to see. Alright, them can be man if you get in my life.
Hello, I never wish I never go look love. If you didn't want love, it's still my
You
love.
tell me like that big people argument. You may tell
You
us
see, let me tell you something. There's no love like self-love. But anyway, what is love? You know what is love?
Anyway,
I'm big round circle.
You're in love. You're in love now. Same thing.
Stitching one. You say
Anyway,
you're gonna fix it.
there are something to be like man devil. Because man is a man devil. And bad things are going on. We just started a big project up there. Boy, I food and all. Listen up. I'm not going to get things. The two turn like a old up and doing show. This one got a car, this one got a car, this one got a car. Bless her buy my girlfriend up the one car first. Them will buy. Hold on, car. Hold on, no job.
Them first and then they drop it by when they drop it by you say, no, where you going to? The sister this.
No.
The sister that.
Yes, I test them. I'm not plan to carry. But it's when you have a good woman and she's young and she's fertile and she tell us to wait until she reach the age of ready to be some picnic and rare, you go walk. You go walk. So, it's a nice girl, of course. You go meet her when I did them, man. Good, clean skin girl, stout, strong, healthy. So she healthy because she's promising some youth. But we 5 youths on her. One time, right? No, she's a man devil.
Hey, cause now listen to you. None of you woman named the young strong harvest that all them are doing them out.
I don't know about you. I don't know about you, man.
Yeah, me say we come out and big people argument.
I don't know. Anyway, I have permission to deal with that. Show forward. But nice soon, of course. Take care of yourself, take care of yourself, take care of yourself. This one gonna car, this one gonna car.
Miss Rose had to call it video.
Move the mic or I get better.
Yeah, what that man do still?
One year to chicken.
Yeah, no, go on in. No, but as long as no bad no trouble, you know. Everything good. No bad no trouble, you know.
She trouble me.
No, not that different, man. Because I have some food, maybe some
So
place.
when you
And
say
done
you're
badly.
going to fix, there's no
Tomorrow, me I come do the column. Me I come like a soldier. Me see him on the road a while ago. When I come around you.
after one piece of food, come give it to at least. And then
You're not going to see me tomorrow because by the time we reach here, going to school. So you're not going to see
me,
me.
I go to you.
But you go see me, but you go to school.
No, let's not
Don't
be
make
hard.
school miss you, you know.
Alright.
Don't make school miss
Not
you.
tell him nothing, because you send me out, man, so don't say nothing to him, man. Don't say nothing.
Hello, mommy. Mommy, tell me about you, you know. So when you're born, you see hard life printing in foreign. So what could I do? Push you out there. Because you're hard like you rough. You see when you go out and look at the turn out. You turn to somebody good. I see you working on computer
I
now.
print out by Brittany.
Brittany have flexibility life print out and go flex. And if you
Flex.
go on,
Anyway,
anyway,
I'm trying to say
you go dolly.
you're going full of man. That's him.
No, she gonna be a dahlia.
Yeah.
She
full
got
of
dolly.
man. Listen to your brother. Your brother is
Let
dead.
her. Let her.
You know, me no
Love
know.
no.
No better, no better.
Morning down.
Make sure I get money coming here and come tomorrow. That is
This one get a car, this one get a car, this one get a car.
You don't want a car for you.
And next time I get a car. I'm going to get a car.
Anyways, what else have to tell you, say no, cause?
Alright, so we're going to now 8 feet. Yeah, man, your mark, you know. You have to the mark, the pen. No, man, no worry. At the board, you have to cut the last first, man. You have to back still, wait. Wait, first, that's okay.
Yes, you know, man, I mean, cut it.
You can't cut it?
Then,
Go, wait. Put the pan in first. Put the pan in. Pan man. Make sure you line, don't put in line. Go back here. Yeah, start and then push it. Sam, can I just pick up the fly and not touch the. You see, that's why the tool is important, you know. When the man in teeth will like tool for work with, you see? This is what happens. You know what I mean?
yeah.
You have to short on the work and now. Estimate. Just drag it across and so on. Yeah, man.
You know. Say that.
What's going on now?
So every day, you know, I gotta work in our son, you know.
Good.
Every money we get,
Yeah.
a week time we give woman.
Yeah.
I tell them say every day work and tell them I call and they want wogi.
Well, she work?
Eh?
She not work.
No?
Why she not work?
Because she has said, you know, I go work on the shop and pay me another.
So I'm saying now work in personal life.
Boy, let me come let you know.
You turn up so no one nail him.
Yo, daddy, hear me? I can't manage Jamaica, you know. But listen me. The thank you for teach me trade, you see me?
This is very important, you know.
Right now, daddy, I have one yard and pick me a yard to feed. Now, right now, I better go to the scam, chop the line. You see me? I go rob people.
Been down that road already, you know. Go down the road already. And not for my friend them. Now make it, right? So I make a choice, learn a trade. And by learning a trade, doors open, apart. They have things now. They get big building for do, plaza. They get section of hotel for build, right? Or they get 2 houses to build. You can do that easy. Good for learning trade, daddy. Cause end of the day, make you a man. But I can't tell you what to do, you know. You're the own man, you have to make your own decision. Anyway, they are going to clear off them work here.
But daddy, this is what I say. Back in a few time, you know, you did.
Good morning.
I wear school bag there.
In my shop.
I mean by my shop. So even if you have one or two little tape and you don't carry your bag with your glass school, like what with the book in your hand.
I don't want that again. The school bag in my shop. I say I can burn me one.
How much is that bag that we are talking about right now?
35,000.
No, sir. Your chest higher than Sky Mountain. You're crazy. You know what you do? You go back upstairs and take up that bag where you have up there and use it go to school with. Oh, the transport bag where I make an agreement with.
No, it's Psycho Bunny.
Which bag you talking about?
It's Psycho Bunny.
Hey, Jesus Christ. I want to tell you the name, sir.
No one bag name, so.
And you choose to keep book in your hand, you know. You have one bag upstairs, you know. And I can't say now, one little tear the panny bag, you know. Just because it's tear, you come and count one like a bag make you go to school. A bag make you go to school. You see, if your grades and it add up to you how you look, it's a bad and not so bad. Your grades are not even high as the way how you look. You're not Clark shoes and you want to wear cycle body, but listen to me, little girl. You better move from front of me. Where you want me to get the money from? Go thief? Or you want me to sell me parts to get it for you? Where me get that from? Eh? Me only can buy a little $5,000 transport. Me don't have it. What do you think me I do? I work very hard over there and I call. You don't have the money for the waste my foolishness. Go to school, go think about your book. Even if you walk with the book in your hand, and that day we focus on. But friend this, friend that. Everything friend do you have in night too. You better move friend in front of me. You better tell them.
Alright, make it see. Me go to school later.
I thought me balling.
Aliyah.
How that?
Brittany.
How you look so?
I'm in need.
In need of what?
One school bag because my sister no want buy me none. I tell her to buy me one. She say too expensive. That's why I come up here to ask if I could buy me one because I can't carry my book in my hands to go to school every day.
So she make you carry a book in her hand, in your hand?
Yeah.
Alright, yo. I don't have much money, you know, but me I go help you.
Alright.
Maybe me can buy you one of them liquor meaty bag there, transport or whatever. But I don't enough money me have, you know. Alright, me I go for money and come. Alright, this is 3,500 $. I really have much, as I said, I really have much money this morning. I want a little money, but I have to take care of my business. Because if I know me do it, the money not really have flow. But I work on it still, you know. But I hope this can help you. So just make it work.
Alright. Well, I put on this money here because if I go want a cycle bunny and this can buy it. If I go find a boyfriend or see if he can help me out with this too. But I have a question to ask you. How when you what age you start have sex?
Well, to tell you the truth, I think I went around 8 or 9, one of them. I don't really remember because a long time that.
Oh, the reason why I ask is because I want a boyfriend. And you know, so when I take things from a man, they want back for you, understand?
Yeah, me know that.
So that's why I ask. Because I'm 15 plus now. And I kind of, you know, if you know what I mean.
Kind of what?
Have the feeling there.
Oh.
So, is it hot?
What a question then?
Me ask because I've been there before. Been there, done that.
So if me a 9 or 8, whatever, I don't even remember my age. You know, I must hot.
Oh.
Every time that me have big body, you know. Big body. So I sound like a big man. Whenever I used to deal with no little boy, big man. So you expect say it go hot.
Jesus Christ. Well, me don't know big man. I'm a little boy.
Alright then. Me I keep over time. Come go to school and me have a whole heap of things in the house to do.
Alright, later. Thanks for money again.
Alright.
Wait, let me figure out for ask. What's about a godmother there?
You know, say she gone from early this morning. She gone from the road with the deacon and so all the church people.
Alright, later sis.
Alright.
Tell her how this month time she come back.
Alright.
Yo, pastor, son. Tap you now. You know some top here, some dudes in the community though.
Can I do that?
What you mean? I make you all like half free money in the church, you know. And I go like a bank, I go in a pocket, I go, you know. We stop here some dudes. You hear me? I tell you now.
You go on with your badness, I go pray for you.
Pray, but now when you pray for me, you can't
You
take
want
out.
some prayer?
Listen to me now. You can't take out this demon in me. Because look what money put butt up on my hand. 100 dope up on my hand. You hear me? I tell you.
Young man, you need to go in church.
Sir, stop them about church. And money me I talk about. How church come to this? If you stop here some dudes, for the young youth them. That's how we are suffering in Gideon. We do not do nothing, you know. Listen to me. We do not do nothing for you. They want to go around and talk about church service, church this and that. When we are dead for hungry.
Where do you think badness gonna put you? Is he either in jail or grave house and graveyard? You know? Where do you think it will put you? You need to come in church, give your life to God.
God. Yes, that's right. Yes, but listen. When we start
Look
running
how much
Jews,
things God did for you. Not
we-
even you.
Listen,
we
when
all.
you hungry in that church, I think about hallelujah and praise the Lord and wipe sweat. Meanwhile, on the head, I look up to Anna home and them. When you stop it, me know who know.
I'm not gonna do the much talking.
Me need
either.
some money.
I'm gonna tell my father about you. You need some
Yo,
prayers.
move for yourself. Move for me out.
Conversation done right.
Go on, move for yourself. Go on, sir.
I go tell my father about it.
Oh, yeah. You start running Jews, wait, book up here next time. I'll phone me and take away.
Go tell my father about it.
Soon catch you here.
Alright, wait up. Good morning. Why you booking here and you don't have any bag?
No, I'm not in a school bag.
You know what me be do? I'm a pastor son.
Oh.
I always see around the place and I always have my eyes on you. Very nice store. Clark City. But why you not have a bag though?
Because my sister don't want to buy me no bag.
Why your sister no want to buy you no bag?
I don't know, she said too expensive.
Wow. Well, I could buy you one still.
But no. But I love that.
They have one of them things.
Yeah, me have a mom never bring you to school.
Can't get your number then.
Alright.
But me never give them a name though. Name Ocho.
Okay, I'm Brittany.
So what time you have come from school?
Maybe around 3 o'clock.
Well, probably go fasting still, so and if I come back, if I could have give you a check or something, that good.
Yeah, that good.
Well, maybe I go fasting today still with my father, so I wonder say if I come back in time, if I could have give you a check, that good.
Yeah, that alright.
By the way, do you have a boyfriend?
No. You have a girlfriend?
No, not this moment.
Alright
Well,
then.
that sounds good still, but I don't want to hold up your time, so later I give you a call or give you a check.
Alright.
Nice meeting you.
Hello?
Hello, morning, sis.
Morning, morning.
Oh, you not buy no bag give it if you at school.
Which bag? Why you talking about now?
No, she come up here this morning, come check me, say she asked if you buy one bag for her, and you not buy no bag for her.
Me not no money for buy Britney no Psycho Bunny bag.
Me not hear that, you know. Hello? Yeah, me I hear you now. Yes, you know. Psycho Bunny, yeah, me know. She tell me. You have to buy her what she want, you know. You know that. I mean, know your mother send money come from over Sophia. And you still not buy her a bag. And you make, you see, anyhow she go out there, go find man and do no out her way. And your fault, you know.
Well, if she want to take man that a fair business, I'm going to take it. Me them buy him Psycho Bunny bag. Me no have it.
No, remember you are working, so you can't use the money where your mother send to buy the bag. And you must can't get if I even want $500 or $700 to go to school out of your money.
Me don't have it. Where if you say me I brought Britney bag just because mommy I send little money from find a work woman if they work hard, you know.
But sis, where you think you pick me I go do you now? What am I gonna do?
Listen to me. Britney at eat good. Britney at go to school. And Britney at do a bag with him.
Gas school with the book there in her hand?
On the bag school book, you know, we tell to me buy one nice transport bag. Once I have to see just take the transport bag and call it that again. Don't so hard. Listen to me, man. Listen what I did.
You know, them nowadays speak near them heighty. And when she a go to school with John's World bag now, everybody go laugh, look on her like, you have to just get her what she want.
Yeah. Britney asked the Clark shoes, me give him Clark shoes. I know Britney a come and ask me for Psycho Bunny bag, like saying things say money broke and tree me for shake off money off a tree and just buy everything we want.
Sure, anyway, don't have a Britney argument. What on? Alright, me I'll come check you one of them there, you know. Alright, look at more.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, me there yard. I do some exercise there. Where else again? You can check there now? Alright, then forward. Alright. You do all, just come in. Mm-hmm.
India do nothing.
I'm gonna stand me one India. What me buy? No, that was like a sister now. What happened?
Come here, sit down and talk to me.
Everything I'm in there. What?
Come here, sit down and talk to me.
I didn't even know what come to me. I put you up with them about happen.
Cause I'm not like your heart sometimes.
Everybody feel good when I'm just doing full body exercise.
You look your body feel.
Well, I'm not talking phone. And then look each other one card and bring me up for that. What one?
Move this foot over there, son.
Come with the bag up and then what happened?
You lucky you feel nice now.
Some of them must feel nice, girl. I want.
You don't know, say. My godmother put me out.
So, how you could have known think kick you? Girl, I'm careless to get yourself in that trouble. You can't just relax. What you do now?
So make me have to do something. ID can want me. So that's why she kicked me out. And she said he can want me, I don't want she. So that's why.
So you tell me, say, I really can make it one when I get along with him a bit cute. Girl, I'm like church again. With your body part now. I can't take it.
Sis, I'm in need of your help. Are you really sitting this all out? Right now, some of me I look for stay. You can't put me up. For a couple days.
You don't know already, say. My home is your home. Anytime you need help, I'll be there for you. But me I tell you, God Almighty, truth now, Aliyah. You need to stop with the bagger man business. Give it a break, no man. True. See, then I make auntie kick you out over deacon. Deacon, man, we're in a church. Come on, no, man. You know me love you. To me heart and back. Let go the man them, no, man. Give man them a break. Think about your life. Set up yourself. Think about businesses. See there, you go from house to house to house till you reach in a church.
Oh, God. Sister, long time I see you. Oh, you care for me now?
You know, can't nothing for you, man. Go hold a seat, man. Come hold a seat now.
I never even dare ask nothing.
Sure, man.
You know, if you don't care nothing there now. Thanks
You hear me, I say? Hurry yourself, I still buy you one school bag. Because I saw a nice one, don't hurry. One gold and pink one. So, I'm going to try to get that for you before you eat. You have lunch money?
No, I'm not lunch money.
So you never tell me. Later, here.
Alright, later. Bye-bye.
Alright.
Alright. Sis, meet my boyfriend.
Good evening.
Even Joe, I know him, and I introduce him to me. I already know him. And all the time I did that fish roll and I see you. Nobody did it. But anyway, so sit down now. Ciao. Lady, give me back my tea. Oh, sorry. Well, give me a minute. Let me put up this, properly. It's very expensive, you know. And that's when we get to work from home.
If you don't say pasta, son?
Me say, you don't have to tell me nothing about Buju. Me know him.
Oh.
And to tell you the truth, me kind of proud of you. You choose the right one. You first in your life.
Yeah, someone nice man him be. I'm say compliment still.
Anyways, me can't tell you hear for your advice. Me hear from the day you're born. Shut up. What Buju?
You know, some day I go on easy back, you know?
Anyways, me not cut you enough, but go on upstairs, go give me something and me and Buju have a one-on-one.
So we want to chat to him for?
Go on upstairs.
It's so far.
You know, you come closer. So where you are with my sister, you know?
Well, you know, so I like half a sister though. You see me? And I promise say anything she want me, I try my best to make sure so she get it. You see me? Because I really love her.
I'm glad say she find somebody who actually I go put her first in everything when I do. And I like it. I like the attitude and everything. And in this community, I know you as a good youth. I don't know, see me and live with me at two different something. But I know you as a good youth. Your mother talk good about you. Your peer people, them in your peers, them in your community talk good about you. And you always a hustle for a young youth. So, I have a problem with you. But try to mess yourself with my sister. Although I can get along with Bob head sometimes. I'm my little sister. Me do something very dangerous for my little sister. Try know that. But everything cool, man. I have no problem against you. You're a good youth.
Well, as I tell you, say, I do my best. I don't do nothing for her at all. Just how do the right thing.
Alright, no problem. So, I can call her back downstairs. Because if you did down here, one piece of chatting you that and that butting you and this, that, I will probably kick off. You know? That's why I send him up. So, no problem, I have no issue with you. Just keep the way I do and put my sister first no matter what situation. I mean, why you say I have one bag of girl, I run up this and run up that and sit down comfort. Although I don't know you as that. You see me? Don't do it with my sister. Try with somebody else. Heart is something I'm very cherishing. Cherish my sister one. Although my cross is to me. But cherish him. Alright.
Yeah, man, I promise me I'll do it right. So you can call her back now.
Brittany! Brittany!
Yeah.
Come downstairs now, girl.
Alright.
You can have back your boyfriend.
I like sending God away.
You see what me at that boy? You can't see if I can work on that for me. Please.
I'll fix her.
Anyways, we can leave now, you know, because I'm busy working.
Which of that would you go do?
My pause to talk to him, so bye. Alright.
Come on, no way, shady.
And no time back home late tonight. Coming up, pull no grill for him. Alright.
Alright.
Now look about him. At least a boy I will try to change him. Try. So now go on with. So I want to call me boy now. Why problem? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What you say, kidney? So wait then. You not go can't do that because none of them is near right now. And you know it best somebody to deal with that right now, you know who? Cousin Popeye. Me not know kidney. Me nah none. No, nah none. No, don't mix me. I don't have no kidney. No. So how do they talk about me? Look, no man, me have better somebody than me. If me kidney them, I go feel him. As you know, put in he probably dead. Me I tell you no, my kidney I go feel. But use the Popeye kidney. Popeye kidney are best kidney for use right now.
Alright, you know say me and Papa in the class, please alike. So I cannot be the one that do the thing. So you know, put that since you attack the Papa, I would have to call you because you are our favorite things. You know what I mean? So the conclusion, our favorite things, our favorite nephew. So it is if these can't do it, we can never do it. But are you off the corporate? Yeah, you off the corporate.
Hello, there's no questioning about that. No question. Cause you have a problem with it?
We don't have a problem with using your kidney, no, because we don't come to conclusion. We talk already. Say we didn't go use your kidney because as the fire said to me, say you're healthy. So your kidney.
Me sick as Ross. Nobody now using the kidney. Me sick. Me kidney we kill people. Me I tell her as I put in kidney in nobody body then dead. You say Popeye. So I couldn't not hear me I say. That means me don't want it. I'm mash up my life right now. No man see me, I can't, anybody get me right now, me can't get a baby. How alone man? No, me ain't that. You see Papa, he strong, he healthy, and plus he love give in body parts. He say it already, you know, he say him willing to give him body parts to anybody in need. Yeah, kind of money.
My mother favorite sister, and right now she in need desperately. So as long as she get it, my mother go feel good. She knows that our sister in need of a kidney is well and okay. So just do that, and I will definitely take a money out of the account and give them. Just tell them same thing good for us. I read it and go. Alright?
No problem, no issue. I tell her that, no issue. Popeye willingly will do a kidney transplant in love giving body parts.
Listen,
I see the video said Popeye agreed give her the kidney. Can't urge him.
That's why I have a love you, girl.
Alright, wanna talk to him because I'm not fan please align. If you talk to him, you're not gonna like it. So, wanna do one of them, then a man give you and up your cool, and we go all a bit and now. We're so glad that's all. We're gonna call my mother and tell saying, sister, it's gonna be okay.
Yeah, man. I get the kidney from Popeye. Alright, may I shout him right now too, so he can know.
When you come, I hear the man, you want to know carry the food that day. I've been saying what I'm going to
this is one I'm going to bring up.
I don't want, no, we don't want that one. They can this one problem. We don't keep you getting over there. You go give me belly, you go there.
Anyways, never get to work. I work, as far as I can see, I work my day at work, so later. Yeah.
Anything one, go to a family union.
Aye.
Anybody dead, you know, that's how we come together. If anybody dead, we come together and kill rock and goat and beat all and beat together.
Yeah, aye. No problem. Later. Jesus Christ. Boy, never tell Papa this. They want to take my kidney. I don't know, bright. Yes. I call him there. Well, no, I can't. Yeah. Let me call him. You know, so me come over here, come check me. Yeah, man, no hitch. Cause a serious situation. I mean, know you're willing to do it. So come. Alright. Yeah. You come here. Give me lungs. Oi! Agree up, come. Come, my cousin.
I only cousin with him. I treat me like a brother. What are your house been? How your house been?
Calm down now. What?
My God.
Well, I see it, man.
Why? Yes, it's feel good.
Yes, my cousin, man. Come up in that, man. Me have no problem. You're good, though.
Yeah.
How long me not see you?
Well, I tell you.
Jesus, you look good. Me I tell you, what you want to drink?
Anything you have done, I do. We feel good. You know, I chip like a real family. The rest of chip like a so. Why you only who I know I am, man? But I say, go. Me as a set of family, with set of peace. But anyway, you will drink or you have no, please.
Alright. Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. Me go around the kitchen. I'll get the drinks here. Keep yourself comfortable, man. You see what you like in here? What you want?
But I take this
Look
time.
on that today. I want drinks more guys like that tonight.
That can't hold this, but can't hold them like full cook. Yeah.
Sparkling grape juice, I get to know why. Yeah, man. I still love you, my cousin. I still love you.
Because it's a sparkling can grape water, not juice. What they do here?
Tastes good though.
Now let's start by the taste.
Nice for your stomach.
You know how me pour up your bag juice never feed pan.
Go and drink my cousin and enjoy yourself. Me like where you look, man. You look fat like you take girl in my road that take care of you.
The girl might take the clothes coming out of money.
Yourself, man. Money's half run. Y'all get enough money when we done. Enough money.
No!
No!
That's it, that's what I'm saying now. When you call me, I know it's your money night, you know. Come and say, yeah. When you call me, money. That's what I like here.
Now we're my cousin. Go and drink your juice, man. May I wait till you done drink your juice. When the juice finish and everything, then me hold like a money argument with you. You know a money argument I got tough by your pocket. Girl, man, run you down when me done with you. Alright, you can take time. I'll push your entire back down your throat.
I want to me your money. I mean, if you done the juice, then they can hear. I don't think I want no more.
Alright.
And the money more I hear about this.
Alright, my cousin. Red stuff, you know.
So, hold on, let me come closer. Can you see? When you come on to mommy. Look like your computer back door.
No, leave on me now. Cause this dent and everything else, then me a trouble. And money that.
You can't make it. Your house, man. Mansion, you know. Where look at sister?
You know, saying that now with your boyfriend.
You still make a look at sister, man.
I can't tap him. Mommy will do pie. Mommy will do.
Put the pie wall.
No, man, I can't tap him. Anyways. Alright. So, we did a whole you know, we hold family meeting. I try to call you, but my find out you don't have no phone. You understand?
No service, no phone, man. No service, me now. I WhatsApp you try to come back?
Yes.
Well, me now no service.
But anyways, we hold a family meeting and we find out say Auntie Johnson kidney. We feel him.
If you feel him long time, I love people mix. Hey, I never see a woman I love mix up so. Thank God.
Well, my cousin, we make a decision. But that's how we did go and tell our group, you know. I want a nice decision for you, because at the end of it, you get a piece of food.
So, big piece of money?
Yes, one big piece of food for you.
So, we'll kill her?
No, I know.
You think they'll kill her and take insurance money? Because I know it's a long time she be dead still, you know.
You know, say, totally different because
Oh.
me talk to you.
Yeah,
Your
nice.
fingernail look nice.
You never go so nice nowadays. I want.
Could I? Your fingernail pretty.
Yeah, because we not get no hardware.
You're clean and everything, and plus the money where I'll get to make you cleaner. You hear?
People closing up.
So we make one decision, like.
So, what you say about the money now? Where's that now?
No, because at the end of the day, you're going to get enough money when this argument is done with. You know, say, Auntie Johnson, that we did in a group that I talk about, Auntie Johnson, kidney. I feel him and me one kidney. And
A long time that you feel that, man. So, where you going to find kidney? And did that ever get no?
I said, come in and get one if you did.
Long time chat people business too much, man. I beg you, man, $50, man, call the whole family member.
For true?
About 50. You must be mad.
Well, me don't know how you gonna feel about the fact, say.
Say, you now send me back no money anymore, dead?
Something like that. Yeah, man. Because...
I'm sorry, bad man. I'm sorry, God no.
But he's not dead yet. Are you gonna save him?
You can't save him. I'm probably a Superman.
Let me tell you how you gonna save him now. After your kidney, we are gonna give him.
You must be mad! See? You're mad. Celebrate you! Me! You're mad. Why not?
Calm down.
Why? Don't you calm down?
Calm down.
Listen to me. Why out of every one of the family member? Why you not here? Few kidney members in your fat.
Me not that healthy. You're healthy, you're stronger,
Oh, so that you sit down in that group and talk about what I miss. What a good thing in there and I can light up the whole family in that group. Let me tell you this. Joe me poor, you know what sacrifice it up. So you have this big house here. You know go and sacrifice the family member them.
I no sacrifice, I save you, but save your healthy life. You don't want more money for offering.
Save the life. Me think man in $20 and $50 can stand one day. Listen,
But we already decided and say, yeah, but...
just see, as long as you see me, you don't know me. And don't call me phone. Never again. Me know your cousin. Please, I beg you.
Me know your sister you call me. No sister you call me. Do it.
When me know your sister and brother Naya, she's a wicked, you're really wicked.
God.
What? They got me kissing. They got me mad.
Papa, no bad. Papa, no bad.
They got me Joe, so.
No bad.
I tell you what, the whole family, Jesus.
Papa, no bad. No bad.
Devastation.
No bad. Jesus, what a bitch ugly. Mercy me. Oh, I'm going to tell the people now. Because then I get my kidney they want to take.
So are you alone there? Your sister not here tonight?
Yeah, sure, yeah.
So go to sit down and talk. But different next day. You know, say you need to come in church with me though. Not even one Sunday I can't come to church.
I think about it.
You know Daddy would have feel good if you see you come to church.
Maybe Sunday I come on out at church, I'm not sure.
Jesus is so good too, you know.
You know?
You know much things he do for you? Eh? God no, it's good if you come to church on Sunday. I know you're kind of sad now because yeah, the hurricane thing, but that's one of the reasons I'm there. So I come chill out there for a little while. My father gone, they call them thing there. They look a night service, I don't remember what name. But I tell me I stay. Because I tell me I don't feel good, so I come stay out there. I hope I feel better though. Which I never remember still, but I would have rubbed the olive oil on your forehead and pray for you. You have olive oil over here?
No, I'm not from olive oil.
So I think it's a great idea. What daddy has said.
Look, yeah, great idea. Wait for that to that foolishness. Just to sit down and just saying. How good I am got finished up.
Yeah, we can do that, no problem. But no sex though.
You can't tell me that. Yes, eh? Eh?
Go from there. Oh my God. Amen.
Seriously, you know what I mean? Yes, eh?
Let's try. Wow.
It's your first time I do it. What's so bad?
I want to try that again though.
Anytime.
That journey. Well, as we said the first time I never do but I'll go and try it again. But tomorrow, if I get the chance, probably give a check still. I'm not sure if I get the chance. But I'll go before your sister come and smell nothing from me and so just follow another work out I do. And I don't know be then I fresh up and calm from video calls.
Alright, okay. What's that? Bells. Oh, yeah, there. You know, say Brittany not there. You can't come check me. Yeah, he was spraying now. I'm hope say you can wear your cat for me. Yeah. Alright, hurry up and come. And about top of road with no girl. Alright. Yeah, may I come? I'm coming.
Yeah, man. Long time I don't see you.
Then the other day, overseas we expect.
Yeah, but I don't care about nothing for you. I don't care about nothing for you. Because things not going over there.
So one boy.
One that two.
Alright. Alright. Get this story. So one boy I got thump in their face. And they say me done, so nothing go on for me. And everything when me do plan for you and work out. Some don't know what you can do for me, you know. If you can give me a money still, you know. When I go up on the road or something. Because I feel frustrated.
So exactly what happened? What caused that day? If you thump people in their face, what caused you to do that day?
You know time to go something, ma.
Simple that?
Yeah.
You hear me always tell us you're too ignorant, man.
Remember with Jamaica not take talking like them, you know, be if you understand.
Yeah, but they can't go overseas to do that.
Remember say with Jamaica not to take talk like them, you know, be if you understand, you know. Because if a man tell me if you suck my mother, you know, go pretty, you know. And that me I try to show you.
But you can't so ignorant. Anyways, me get a piece of food from mother. Luckily.
How much money that? Make sure enough, you know.
Never get a little bit of money yet?
Yeah, last time I 16,000 you give me, you know, be I tell you so that can't do me, you know. So you mean by
then what about the money when me give you go overseas? What about the money when me give you buy a class and they say that is $16,000? No, we get $16,000 for lunch money.
Boy, oh boy. Alright, put that one side.
Anyways, I have 200k.
No man, more 500.
At 200 me have.
Line up 3 more funny.
Alright then me hold that until the time when you forget that.
Make sure you know, cause right now my time I waste, you know.
You
I don't want to reach by Sunday tomorrow.
A woman I have?
I don't get money.
A woman I have?
No man, I mean be me not know woman.
I don't know if you don't know what. Talk to me, a woman I
I
have?
don't have any woman be. Just easier say no man, hold on.
Trying to ramp with me now.
I don't know anything set man. Hold on man.
Anyways, I will hold the 2k until me get the other 3. We get it. Okay, see a vibe. So what you gonna do there now?
What may I do with you? You know. The first one may I take it by one gun. Yeah.
Anyways, we're in a day here, so come on, go do it fast before it get late.
May I tell you man?
Enjoy yourself.
I'm going to put on the bed corner.
That then tell you, trying to give nobody good, you know.
Ain't nobody man.
Anyways,
No.
I will call to mommy and something, and arrange or something there. So, we call you when you come.
Hey, that's it man. I do that man.
Better lock up it. I'm not bad at fine. Anyways, come. Every time I miss
Okay,
you.
no babes. I see no game body.
Never. Cause you make it say you're Miss Sugar sick. So come on. Just watch it. Yeah. Call that woman because the man have to get you money. What, mommy? Me there, you know? Brittany gone down your road, gone deal with something. I just after 7, remember so over there time more higher. You know me not making up on the road. Of course, me give money supposed to get. Me give him the 200,000 you send and say if you go to school with you and so. Me give him that already, man. But the thing is, the last one where you sent other day, yeah, the one where you sent like 2 days ago or 3 days ago. Yeah, the one where you sent me if you use PFE book them and all type of something. Then I stick me up and rob me. Me don't know who did I watch me when me did I go for money. As me dry out of Western Union, so I not even get to come my yard really good. But mommy, anyways, me I gonna need one because in school fee them and in book them a come up hard and know. Yeah. And you know say very important. Plus I some time to pay in CXC them. So me I gonna need one 500,000 from you. Yeah. That I have to pay for CXC them and to make sure say in have book and something and to buy me in Psycho Bunny bag as well. A 50k for Psycho Bunny. Yeah man. Yeah, send it when? As early as 5. If you can send it tomorrow, send it. Alright, night afternoon. Alright. Thanks, mommy. I love how you take care of your daughter. Me make sure so she eat, man. Make sure me take care of Brittany. Yeah. Yeah, see, take a picture of Clark shoes and give me it so I can send it to you. Me take care of him, man. Alright, mommy. Later. Me call him and I make him.
I go on party.
Hello.
I see how they am see I'm like you do.
You see me like me?
Because some we don't know say no.
Oh, I don't know where I don't know where them live to.
Good morning, Mr. Brown. You good? Yeah man, I know say school ship kinda ready for me though. We don't want my friends to paint up before. Me go here, see me? Yeah man. Yeah man, look away. And you grill them. You need to get started out as well. Yeah, before you paint, you have to sand it down and take out some of the rust part out of it. Yeah, man. So when you can come? Alright then. When you come, just let me know, yeah? Me there, man. Now left until about next week. Yes, man. Let's go with the price, man. I don't know if I can pay that because ship me up and I don't know ship make money. Alright. Yeah, man, the family good, man. Mother alright, everybody alright, father alright. My sister, she good, man. Alright. Yeah, me there. Alright then, until then. I'm going, you good?
Yeah, man.
Alright, take care of yourself. Because it looks nice. Why they really can't give me a gosh.
I know you can't go on back around. So why you run me so fast? How who you go check? So why you run me down so fast? First of all, I know say a man you go check. You're not fi hide it. Me don't know that already. You can't just talk to me because you don't think it already. Yeah, our man me go check. But me know you know who me go check. Go on done. When me come me buy something for you. You want?
I want to come, I don't want nothing. You know how I made us good, you hear? Care about one pizza for me or one burger? Yeah. Alright, later.
Alright.
Hey, Wam.
You
good?
Yeah.
You think I go there, good?
What's that she I got? From far I go to road.
But anyway, girl, let me see you walk with you. Your friend?
Yeah, my friend.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can't put into word for me. I bet me get your number.
Yeah, man. You be right.
Make sure you know.
You know, say my sister though, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
She come down and me here come visit once in a blue moon. Yeah.
So she'll come back later tomorrow.
Of course, she'll come back later.
So you can do that for me?
Yeah.
And come link me and give me the number. I can call her. Alright then.
Hey baby.
Oh God.
Damn, my mind run fine, so I just give you a call, you know what I mean?
I could do.
Yeah, daddy in the day you're running, you know, I'm gone at night, you know, me always tell us I'm go. So me I wonder if I could have come over because that the thing that you give me one day, although I never want to do it. I'm just in love with him and do it again.
Alright, well, I'm going to check if my big sister they here because I'm not really sure.
Alright, so check and let me know if now is the right time.
Alright.
Because I'm ready.
Alright. Ashford Alliance. Sister, where she is?
She came up to Chicago for the word. Father, you know, she moved.
Oh. Alright, we can call her. Yeah.
How are you talking?
You know, say pastor son got my boyfriend.
Bojo?
Yeah.
A good boy that one. Come take yourself, you know.
Come on.
I'm not his own.
How is on? Yeah, the one? No, not like that. But let's stay stable.
Go back and go use on it.
The one I give vibes. Alright, yeah. Yeah, you're gone.
No. Now make you ugly. Go black.
You're not fear this is
Error.
You out here. Yes,
Use one different one.
but the one is nice.
You call nice.
This. But you call nice, no nice, you know.
Use this. Okay. Use that one.
The one is nice, too, you know.
Use this. Girl, this make a look good today. The girl. Today. The nice, you see?
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah. Because what you like, me not like. And what me like, you don't like. You know, this one thing is okay. Well, anyways, you know, so me ask if you tell up about one boy, one youth. He tell me say he like you, he named Tony.
Where did they come from?
Run the road you live, man. You have one big house, run the road. The same time I pass there, so I'm going to show you your house. Yeah, me know say you know who me a chat, but maybe I pick up your name or something like that.
When they say run the road, what do you mean?
On a back road.
Oh, back road. Hold on, you know, see me something to say to you though, but you don't say to nobody, you know.
Alright.
You know, say, men leak and they fit through.
Jesus.
But nobody no.
You know.
And I first somebody me tell say, you know. So if me hear back, I you chatting.
From what day me hear everybody chat about that, but anyways, a secret safe with me. Back to what me I say. You want me set the link or not? You have money, you know? As me I say, my friend like that, they will come from far and you have money, you work on ship overseas, so you know say the big bad US them you get. That's why I say, that's why I gonna set a link for you. So when I get the money, you can give me some of the money.
You have money, you know, but that not say, you see Deacon, I want jealous man.
Right now, best thing for you do. They will do two of them getting money, build a house because you can't do your favor. You can't catch a people place, so you have to have a house for yourself. I best thing for you do right now. There's no other way out. But I don't see, heart no leap. And when you know, don't hurt you. So him not have to know about it. The deacon not have to know about it. At least you can have one man who have money and a USA I get to know like I old Jamaican dollar where I get from the deacon. You get enough of money from him. If you get money from the deacon, you get money from him see away. Just think about it like girl, like best thing for you right now.
Alright then. Okay. Just give me number. Let me see how it play out.
Alright. Hello? Alright. Yeah. So good.
Good night. How was on?
You're good?
Yeah, man, good.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Come on. Big sis, we come home up as here.
Alright.
Yeah. Run.
That one was great.
Yeah.
But you know, I have something to say though.
Well,
You know, say next time we agree, we have to use protection.
oh, not true.
But you can't buy that though. They're not going to sell me a shop. I must have most people in our community know me. And they know me, say a pastor son. So that will work. But we have to use protection though.
No, you die.
Alright then.
Yeah. So come on. No, the lock, no. I thought we had talk so this. Come on. Yeah, conversation after long. I have fix up. No, come and sit down. You sit down upstairs.
Alright, later.
Alright.
What if you're fasting Wednesday?
Alright, later.
Alright.
I go up upstairs.
Yeah, go bed. Hello? Yeah, 20. Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I'm kind of say is not because you get you on the first date doesn't mean everything to me I want easy girl, you know. Just because I like you and the vibes is nice. If I never saw, you would get you for around 2-3 months or so. Yeah. Anyway, we still on for tonight. Come here, I want me pick up one black dress now. And I can wear. And as I tell you, remember I know I show you love so I have a jealous boyfriend. Yeah, so you can just pick me up and drop me off out the road. Let me walk come on like you, Joe. Yeah, and I remember I tell you I go think about the movie in with you. Yeah, what I go say now, I don't think it's go possible now. Because remember you know, he can jealous. And he go on there around me all the while. I'm not really ready for life up on my sister right now. But maybe go and come. Yeah, I hope you understand. Anyway, me see you later then.
Nah, to work at time do stay no more. I know some like you do a single.
Well, I have a boyfriend now. My name is Tony. But the relationship not so steady. So you single?
You know, some kind of have one little girl done, so I give me money, I go eat that girl. $500,000 no money. Me I tell you, you know. No.
What's the girl out there?
See her here, man. Show you. See her here, man. Big media, man.
I'm a sister that.
True.
Yeah, I'm a sister. Yeah, I'm a sister that. We live down there in a big house down there lane down there, so. Live with her sister named Brittany. Does she say one?
Yeah, man. The man and she said one, man.
Right now, I'm done. Let me go tell my sister, because I can't believe this. My sister can't turn no yammed for no boy. My sister now be no yammed for no boy.
Watch out, no, mama. I can't feel you, know, just keep by your mouth, no, mama. Watch out, no. Hold on for a $1,000.
How we get $1,000? Me know. Aye. Don't
So
make me mouth fire like an M16, you know.
How much more you want?
Send on money.
Just. Hold on for this.
We have a deal. Nice doing business with you. Alright.
Remember, you know, mama, just keep by your mouth, you know. Here.
Come now, girl. Come. Come in, no say you. Come now, girl. Come in, no say you. Chum.
Hello, let's be the open.
I don't think the door open, but you ain't all this money already reach for my veranda. So like I mix up to give me no girl.
I come closer.
What you have to tell me, say? The family look nice though.
So what you have to do more so? I swear, I have to tell you. Girl, I couldn't tell me you such a good money I have.
So you know my boyfriend?
Know yourself.
Me know why you're too close now because you're a man snatcher.
But just come to tell us here that one they deserve. You deserve him. You have to keep that one. You have to
I know, girl. Then have to tell me I'm a good man that.
Me aim to do all our plans, our wedding I go keep.
So why would you tell me that? It's a spoiled surprise. It's
come
because
tell us
a
that
bad
you
man,
keep
bad
a
man.
good man.
A bad man, a bad man. They can tell me. All them
Give
someday.
me money and treat my sister in again.
Sure. Woman know girl. I
Keep him.
Hey, put in a bed so. That's why I give anything I have. Anything at all. But we can't get half of what I give.
Oh, so I give my money.
I mean, I must take care of my man, girl. What do you? It is a man, I can't take care of.
But I am it, man.
I come me and come discriminate me.
No. You don't put no food over there.
Me not feed people with bad mind me.
I have money in my pocket can buy food.
How is money work now? You like get money. Come in where you are now.
The one day some need to know and you to never find out.
So what make me can't find out?
No, sir, you can't find out the one day.
I hope I know my man in the coming where you are man snatcher. You love people, man.
You see, look at more now, little boy.
And I look up what do you? Boy nice, my man nice.
Look for Anna, my man must be at 30 other old.
And that's why I'm like kill you with lick.
None of them ever catch me.
No, we can't. You're fast. I like me itself.
Never catch me.
Can't get yourself. But anyways.
So really, I take your money, give boy. And other day, your sister want one bag in the bag here.
You chat too much more while
No, that's not right. You made girl, that's not right.
Yeah, what all people you made? Man snatcher.
Exactly, at least the money are coming to me.
Coming to you. I like coming to you. So lick again. Nothing else. I told you like
that's what I do. Me make sure fled the crime scene.
I haven't said
Now
nothing.
them can't catch me.
You haven't said nothing.
But you know, you are push out money.
And my man, mine your own business. Get a relationship like mine.
Anyway, me I go home, me just go tell us if you married the boy, you hear?
Yeah, it's
I married him.
I'm not going to propose. Let's say I'm going
You can't stop shining up on it.
well, I take money, man, but I'm going to catch a beat you. Later. You're fat too.
Man, you me.
People, man, to be exact. Let me start drama.
No, say, guys, life me I live do. Right now. Remember, the girl me tell her about anything more want him get, you know. I tell him some more 200,000, you know. He have to call him mother, you know. And his mother have to send him. So me have a girl here.
You're fortunate, you know. They can't get it the way there, you know. Everything I want, I show badness, but me get it. You hear me? But listen now, other day I'm gonna do a site work. But that site work too hard. So right now, you better go scam and make some money. See me that, cause that the money there. A lower money. Scamming a higher money. Bigger deal, no business. You understand? Yeah.
Well, it's not a nice thing doing, my friend. Anything you want, you can go find about. Just know a risk you see it. As a virgin, me I tell you, you know, you see it, dog. Yeah.
Well, Daddy, you know it's a long time I do business and I just know. The skill and my thing is them. I do things people can't pick up at the police, can't find an idea about that. You get me?
You right now, son, I get too hot to you, know, child. I come out there, son.
Take yourself out there, son, then, no, man. I know me a bad man, you know. And there's a wine I son, car. Can't take his son heat. So yeah, I say I know.
Me I say right now, she have one little sister down the way I go to school, you see it. But she there don't have a little church boy, man.
Church boy. Different they do, you know. Woman too want a church boy, you know, and want for them money. A bad man they want. Is it?
Cause a church boy nah do nothing, man.
Me I tell you.
Nah do a thing, you know, my friend.
So, as I say, when me can circle up a yard there?
Anytime, man, anytime you want forward, man. Don't know me a virgin, no.
A long time I know you too, you know.
Long time, man.
So what you know? We know you a long time, you know me a long time, right? And say nobody touch you, just call me. You see me? Even some of my money where I get from the person there over there, so you can give me some of my money too, you see it?
Yeah, man.
In a real life. So here what? I show up on the road, you know.
Yeah, man.
So I can make up some food in idea, yeah.
Blessings, blessings.
Alright.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You know, right? Come on. You just watched the first part of Sisters. Look out for the next part, you know what I mean? Coming shortly. And we have planned to make a move around the island set speed, so look for we in a year town. We have something a plan shortly, you know what I mean? Coming to you live and direct. Let's go.